I have completed setting up the drainage and everything else for the kitchen sink plumbing. So garbage disposal is installed with its own button. You can turn this on the water. There's a button. It's actually running. This button has little buttons there to change from the screen to the Now at the bottom, most of the work was done here. I actually had to wait till Home Depot open today so I could finish this off. But so you have a dishwasher, the drainage line here, and now garbage disposals, actually running. We have a P-trap here, so the gases will not come up, and that's why P-trap is needed really. And then I actually had to get this 45-degree, the turn, so I could make it really nicely go into the drain. So it's all working. Nothing. The water's been running for a while now, so nothing is leaking. There's no water anywhere, so it's ready to go. So we got kitchen all set up, so it's ready for the use.